Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter outfit codes in Catalog Avatar Creator. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. As you can see, here we are inside the game, and it's actually very easy to enter outfit codes. So the first thing that you're gonna need to do is click onto this option on your left hand side which says Community Outfits. And now from here, you're gonna have to choose any of these categories. It doesn't really matter. So for example, I'm gonna choose Summer. Give it a click. And now in order to find outfit codes, you're gonna have to choose an outfit. For example, I'm gonna choose this one and give it a click and then click onto the view option. And here you can see that each outfit has a code underneath, and for this one it's 1C7. So if I go back to the previous page and enter that code in this outfit code box and press enter, it's gonna take me straight to the outfit screen. And so if you have the outfit code and enter it in this box that I have shown you, you're gonna save yourself some time and effort instead of looking for it without the code. So that's it, that's how to enter outfit codes in Catalog Avatar Creator. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.